Whether anyone supports me or not, I will not give up as the truth is on my side. Call the police if you want to. Call him. The police will find out who the thief is. Because I can't go to my village with the tag of a thief.
Hey, you! Don't be so melodramatic. Get out of here.
I will not go anywhere. I did nothing wrong.
Don't be ridiculous, Radha. Think about it. What will happen to your dad and grandma if you go to jail? Their reputation will be ruined. It will be better if you just take your things and leave. If not for yourself, then for your family at least, Radha.
I am saying this for their sake, sister. My dad will feel very hurt if I go back. I'll go back without countering such an allegation against me. If I don't fight for my self-respect. That's why, until I prove that I am innocent, I won't go anywhere.
If you don't leave, then we will end up in jail.
I'm definitely kicking you out today.
Finally, the Vermilion is out of the house.
I will not let you stay.
I'm not going anywhere. Leave me. I did nothing wrong. I'm not leaving. Mohan!
Mom,
Mohan, no. She is taking advantage of your goodness.
Rahul, leave me. You are hurting
come
me.
on.
Uncle, leave Radha. She did not steal. Please
on.
let her go.
Gungun, leave her hand.
Mohan, I know that you know I have done nothing wrong. You believe that I did not steal. Then why are you quiet? Please say something.
Just stop her, Mohan. She is innocent. After so many years, she has come to this house like a ray of hope for you and Gungun. Please stop her. Will you people watch a woman being humiliated like mute spectators every time?
Mohan, believe me, I cannot go to my village with such a big accusation, Mohan. Mohan, my self-respect, faith and virtues will end. I will have nowhere to go, Mohan.
Mohan, let's go inside, son.
No, Mohan. Mohan, stop her.
Mohan! complete without him. Without him, my life has no meaning, Mohan. Mohan! Mohan! I swear on Lord Krishna, I'm not going anywhere. You have accused me of something wrong. I won't go anywhere until I prove myself innocent. Call the police. I am right here.
This girl has become more aggressive. If Damru speaks up and the police arrives, Mohan will make our life hell.
To hell with Damru, Mom. I am so worried about the vermilion in this bundle. If the vermilion doesn't go out of this house, even Tulsi won't leave the house. Understood?
Don't touch me, Rahul.
Enough, Radha. Stop this drama of yours. This is our house. We will call the shots here. And since everyone wants you to leave, you must leave now. That's it.
Okay, sister. I will leave. But first call Mohan, please. I want to talk to him. If he tells me the same thing, then I will leave immediately.
Mohan does not want to talk to you, Radha. Had that been the case, he wouldn't have left. He doesn't care whether you stay here or not, Radha. Understood? Now leave from here.
Maybe he doesn't care whether I stay here or not. But this accusation will have a big impact on my life. What about that, sister? You just call Mohan. I want to talk to him.
Radha, whatever you have done today, Mohan is very hurt because of that. Come what may, he will not talk to you. Just leave from here. Go back to your village.
How can I go back to my village with such a big accusation? What will I tell my dad? Should I tell him that I left my self-respect behind?
Radha? Please go from here. Mohan will not listen to you at all. You have been here for so long. Don't you know how he is? No matter who is sad or in pain, he doesn't care about anyone. Then why will he care about you? I don't like this. I don't want them to call you a thief. Leave this place. Please leave from here.
Oh gosh! She has been preaching to us and we are listening to her like devotees. She committed theft or us.
Come.
Leave her, Rahul. Radha is not a thief.
Mohan,
I don't know if I understand Radha, but in all these days, I have understood what Lord Krishna means to her. He means the world to her. Her day starts with Lord Krishna's name, and in the evening, she sings his praises. She talks to him as if he is her relative. She is crazy about Lord Krishna. So one thing is certain, that she won't live without Lord Krishna.
Mohan, all that sounds good to hear. But what about that? Whatever we found in her bundle, about her clothes and our jewelry, what about that?
Yeah, what about them? I'm sure this is someone's ploy. Someone tried to frame her. I will find out who's behind this and try to frame Radha and teach them a lesson. I'm not gonna spare them.
Mohan, my son, why would anyone do that?
Someone doesn't want Radha to stay here, Mom. Radha, let me ask you something. Please be honest. Just tell me who gave this bundle to you.
This bundle.
Radha, there's a big dustbin on the other side of the road. Will you put this bundle in it?
Tell me.
Speak up, Radha.
That person gave it. Damru brother gave it to me.
after creating such a huge ruckus in the family, you're standing quietly in a corner. Did you give her the bundle?
I hope Damru doesn't open his mouth. Otherwise, me and my daughter will be in trouble.
Yes, sir. I gave the bundle to Radhika. But I didn't do anything.
If you didn't do anything, who did? Tell me who told you to give that bundle to Radha? Will you tell me, Damru?
Sir, please let Damru go. He cannot make this mistake. I know he cannot do anything like this. Please let him go, sir.
I'm asking for the last time. Who told you to give the bundle? You won't tell me, right?
You were looking to steal from your employer's home? How dare you do this, huh?
Damini, do whatever it takes to resolve this problem. If we get exposed today, there's no other chance for us.
You just take the blame quietly, okay? Mohan will beat you, but I will compensate you. You will become rich and won't have to work again. But if you reveal the truth, then you will never be able to open your mouth.
So that's the truth, Damini. You used Damru as a pawn, so that even if the truth comes out, you don't get in trouble. You are so wild. You made such a disgusting move.
Do you understand?
Don't hit him. Don't hit him. Just ask the truth.
Tell me. Who gave you the bundle?
Forgive me, sir. I stole the valuables.
Somehow we escaped today.
I put the stuff in the bundle and told Radha to put it in the bin. I thought I would pick it up later and no one would find out. Forgive me, sir. Please, sir. Please forgive me, sir. Please forgive me.
How dare you steal from my house? Why did you have to steal, Damru? What was the need? You know, because of you, everyone was going to throw this poor girl out of the house. Had you not been caught, she would have to live with that accusation forever. Why did you do this?
Forgive me, sir.
You are questioning the wrong person, Mohan. You are blaming the wrong person too. All the problems have been caused by Damini. This Damini has made you fall into her trap once again, Mohan.
You won't listen easily,
Please
right?
forgive me, sir.
I apologize on his behalf. He made a mistake. Please forgive him.
Get out of the way.
Mohan, don't beat him up. Let him go. Leave him. Mohan!
Mohan. It's done. Enough.
No, Mom, it is not done yet.
Mohan, what are you?
What did I say to you? The next time you raise your hand to a woman or try to harm her, I will break your arm and throw it in the river Yamuna. Did you understand? Do you understand? Lower your gaze or else I will gouge your eyes out. We will call the police. We have found the thief.
What if Damru reveals the truth out of fear of being arrested? No, Mohan, let it be. Firing him right away will be an ideal punishment for him.
Yes.
Dulari's like our family's daughter, Mohan. If Damru goes to jail, then Dulari's life will get ruined.
No, the cops will come now. The thief will be punished.
Mohan, please forgive Damru, brother. He made a mistake. Give him one chance. He will never do this.
Don't you know you are a fool? Don't you know? Tell me. You trust this. You give them chances and you repeat it.
That's your problem too, Mohan. You've given Damini so many chances.
Last
Enough.
time. Let him go, please. He made a mistake. Forgive Damru this time. He made a mistake. He won't repeat it.
Get out of here and don't show me your face again. If I see you anywhere near the house, first I will beat you up and then take you to the police station. Did you get it clearly? Let's go now. The show is over. Let's go inside. Go inside.
Mom, just make sure the vermilion isn't brought home.
Gungun?
Why are you standing outside? Let's go in.
No, Mohan. Gungun, give me Lord Krishna's idol. I won't be able to stay in this house. I am leaving for Barsana right away.
Radha, stop acting like a fool and go inside.
I might be a fool, Mohan. But I'm not a thief. Someone said I was a thief, and all of you believed it. Today it was Damru brother. Tomorrow it will be someone else. I considered this family my own, but I think this family couldn't accept me as their own. They made me feel like a stranger. I was accused of stealing. I was insulted. Those who have self-respect, for them an insult is akin to death. And today, my self-respect got destroyed in this house. And Mohan, you allowed that to happen. You didn't speak up for me. You stood there quietly. You didn't believe me, right?
Please forgive us. It was a big mistake on our part.
This is not about forgiveness, Uncle. I didn't even know my relationship with you, and your faith in me was so weak that it could be shaken so easily.
Dear Radha, even Lord Krishna forgives those who make a mistake unintentionally. We have made a mistake. Forgive us, please.
Don't make me weak by bringing up Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna does scold, but he is gracious too. You are an elder. You have the right to hit and scold me. But when it was time to be gracious, all of you were quiet. None of you was there to defend me.
Everyone has realized that you were right. Please don't go. Let's go inside, Radha, please.
You were the only one who stood with me today. You have been a true friend today, Gungun. Always remember this. The one who is honest and brave is certain to win in the end. Whether we are together or not, please remember this, okay? Gungun, come on. Give me my Lord Krishna's idol.
No, I won't give it. You won't go anywhere.
Gungun! Gungun! Aunt, please give me the idol of Lord Bake Bihari. Then I'll go to Barsana. Please give it. Mohan? Why are you picking all that up? I'll do it. Just return my lord to me, please.
What if Mohan gets the vermilion inside along with other things? Mohan, let me take
Enough,
this.
Damini. You have said and done what you wanted, Damini. You raised your hand to Radha, who was innocent.
Mohan, please give it to
Stop
me.
your nonsense and go inside.
Mohan,
What did I say? Quiet. Not a word anymore.
I can't stay here, Mohan. Let me go to Barsana. I won't stay here.
I'm telling you for the last time. Let's go inside.
The bundle contains Tulsi's vermilion. I hope the vermilion and Tulsi aren't brought inside along with Radha.
Mohan.
Come on.
Mohan took the vermilion inside, Mom. It means Tulsi has also entered the house.
Damini, I can sense my end is near. We are doomed. That ghost will not spare us.
I don't know what will happen, Mom.
Our happiness will come to an end. And that Tulsi will make us miserable. She won't spare us.
Didn't you hate Gungun? Wait and watch what I do to you.
I cannot stay here anymore. I want to go back home.
Look, Radha.
Radha! Please don't go anywhere. My mom has left me alone. Will you also leave now?
can hide your tears from everyone. But how will you hide them from me, Mohan? For the first time, today Gungun's father brought her mother and her friend to this house. Radha's truth got the better of Damini's lies.
Both of you must be tired. Go and get some rest. And if possible, forget what happened.
Mohan, I will not be able to stay here. I need to go home.
If you talk about leaving again, I will punch you and break all your teeth. Understood?
Radha, the amount of pain you have gone through today, it has also given me a lot of pain. Take care, my dear.
Mom, give me my phone.
Hey gosh, how much will you trouble this widow?
Why does Guruma never answer calls? What will we do now?
Tomorrow is Haryali Teej. You have to complete this fast at any cost. After that, let alone Tulsi, even Yamraj, the god of death, won't be able to stop you from marrying Mohan.
Mom,
Yes.
I will deal with Tulsi and Radha later, okay? We need to just go inside. I have to get Mohan to break my fast. After that, Mohan will be mine forever. Let's go
I'm not
inside.
coming.
Come on, Mom.
Inside? I'm
Inside.
not coming. I'm not coming. Damini. Damini.
Mohan, please cheer up now. We have to complete the puja and I'm feeling dizzy because of hunger. You showed your true colors. You have proved that people like you can't be trusted at all. A person's status can change, but not their character. Never. Mohan,
Mohan,
Mom, please don't be afraid. Listen, be around the family members, okay? And if you are around them, Tulsi won't be able to harm you. Once my fast ends, I will deal with Tulsi.
Come on, Damini. Stay with the family.
Your fast won't be completed at any cost, Damini. There is no chance. I told you, I will not let Mohan break your fast. Observe as many fasts as you like, Damini. But Mohan will never be yours.
I will make sure that you get this vast empire. I will give you all that which I did not get in my life.
I may have lost my life, but Mohan and this vermilion are still only mine to claim.
Next time, don't make the mistake of raising your voice. I have lost my mother once because of you. Don't you want to study, Radha? Yesterday too, you didn't came to study.
I don't want to learn English, Mohan.
Radha, how dare you talk to Mohan like this?
She's not done yet. She has the right to speak me like that. Why are you getting involved?